So I was told no more plants. If you've seen me in my live streams, I was advised to buy no more plants. Well, guess what? These two trays that you see here were absolutely free. My husband went to the grocery store. He said that there was this table or shelf and it had a sign, and everything on this table rack system is free. It's because these obviously need to get put in the ground or they're gonna not make it. Some of this stuff, like all of these different Brussels sprouts, kohlrabi, kale, it's June here in Minnesota. These things could have been planted out in April, and so we might be just too late. But here's the other thing. We have fall garden as well, and usually we plant the fall garden in July. So we're going to try it. We're going to feed these and give them some love. We're going to do the best we can. Now, it's way more of each than I need, right? Like, who needs that many kale plants? There's some type of eggplant. Wait till you see the peppers. It's like, what am I going to do if all these make it? Which I don't think they all will. I think some of them are going to not really perform as well if they had tender loving care this whole time. But there was a cayenne, there's a serrano, and then look, habanero 4-pack, habanero 4-pack, habanero 4-pack, habanero 4-pack. How many habaneros do you see? It's crazy. This whole tray over here has a bunch of 4-packs of yellow crookneck squash, and they look pretty bad. Now this is a plant tray that I actually ordered. It had that material on it in the box. It was shipped in a box, live plants. It's 36 plants in total. There's 6 packs of one kind of each thing, and it was from M&L Corp. And I've ordered from them before for my rain garden kit. And they had an option where you could get seeds to go with it as well. So I got this seed packet mix that has yarrow, hyssop, coneflower, some kind of pea and bee balm and black-eyed Susan and blue aster and vervain. So the plan is to plant the plants and put the seeds in around it. This is a hummingbird kit. So I'm going to go through each 6-pack and show you what this kit came with, and we're going to get it planted out. So whenever I do a garden job out at the garden property, there's a lot of walking back and forth for things, so I like to have my wagon loaded with a bucket. I have a water for myself. I always garden comfortably with a cushion, and we've already prepared the ground knowing that this package was coming this week. So here we have a milkweed 6-pack. This is a 6-pack of fireweed. I think this one will be really pretty. The plan is, these are all perennials here for my zone in Minnesota, and they're all supposed to be ones that can attract and feed hummingbirds. This is wild bergamot. I believe this one has a scent to it. This one I know does well here. This is columbine. Usually we pair that with sweet William in the same planting. And then this is a tray of large flowered penstemon. I'm not sure how to say it. Stay there for a minute, okay? Stay there. This is New Jersey tea. Never seen that one either. So whenever we're planting a space, we've prepared the soil. We're putting the packs out to kind of see what order we want them in. We're getting everything we need once we're on the ground. We're digging out a hole. I'm just measuring with my hori tool here to space them out like that. Did I read each little label to mathematically figure out what each plant really loves? No, I didn't, honestly. I just winged it, okay? Now we're going to try and find spaces to put at least one of the trays we're going to plant together here in this video.